So for that, click on new button here, then select assembly. Now import the bolt and nut in the assembly. So this is the bolt and this is the nut. Press escape button. Now click on this this bolt, and to make screw mates we have to make a reference for the bolt, and that reference could be an axis on the bolt. So let me show you how. Click on this part and open it in a new window, and then now click on reference geometry here, and then from here select axis and zoom in, then select this cylindrical face, and here you can see we had created the axis. Press OK button and then click on this point and increase the length of this axis like this. So click on this I button here, and from here select or view axis. Then go to assembly, and from here also select or click on this arrow in front of I button, and then from here select view axis. Now we are able to make the screw mate for this nut and bolt. So again select mate, scroll down, and then from mechanical mates select screw. Now if you scroll up, here you can see mate selections. So select this axis and then this cylindrical face or this circular edge. Scroll down, and here you can see the option revolution per millimeter and distance per revolution. So you can type here the pitch or any of these two options. So let me select distance per revolution, and it is 1.25. Press OK button. Again press OK button. Now if you try to rotate this bolt, this nut, and you can see so now you can see the screw mate has been applied and it is working perfectly. So let me hide the axis, and then you can see if I rotate this nut, and it is working perfectly. So this is how we can apply screw mate in SolidWorks assemblies.